Hello everyone, this is Tom. Welcome back. This is part 3 of the CAP in Canvas. So what we're going to do in this video is we're actually going to use SpeedGrader to go ahead and determine whether or not they've met the course outcome. And how do you actually record that? It's very simple. Once you create your rubrics for your assignments and you link your assignment to the specific outcome, it's very easy to go through the CAP process and record mastery or not mastery, depending on how the student performed. So we're going to show you how to do that. Here I am in my stress management course, right? And if I go over to rubrics, right, we're going to select rubrics. You can see my rubrics. Here they are. And I think what we'll do is we'll just take a look at this first one, outcome number 1. And I'm using assignment 3. So again, if you title your outcomes, it's going to be a lot easier to do this. So I always link the outcome with whatever assessment method I'm using. So in this course, I'm linking outcome number 1 with assignment number 3. So let's jump over to assignments. All right, so here we are in assignments. All right, and I'm going to scroll down to my assignments. Here is assignment 3. Okay, body's reaction to stress. So I'm going to go ahead and select that assignment. All right, it's going to pop up. So here it is. All right, so here it is. We're going to go over to SpeedGrader. All right, and here, okay, sometimes you can even take a look at your rubric here. It says show rubric. All right, if you want to look at the rubric that you've already created for this assignment, you can do that. But I'm going to go right over to SpeedGrader. So let's take a look. All right, here we are in SpeedGrader. All right, so for this individual, okay, this student, okay, met the outcome benchmark. So when you're in the assignment, you're going to go over here to grade rubric. So I'm going to select grade rubric. I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can see it. All right, so this student, okay, got a 10 out of 10. Great. So I'm going to go over to my grading rubric and I'm going to go ahead and select. Okay, they got an A, so that's 100%. And then I'm going to go ahead and select mastery. Okay, for this outcome, they need to get either an A or B to have mastered the outcome. So I'm going to select A, I'm going to select mastery, and I'm going to hit save. That's it. Next student. Very easy. Go to the next student. All right, now this student got a 9 out of 10. Of course, they did get a late penalty. They did turn this assignment in late, but as far as the assignment goes, they successfully completed the assignment. They got a 9 out of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and select rubric. And since they got a 90%, I am going to go ahead and select this first box. And then I'm going to select mastered. And I'm going to hit save. There it is. All right. And you're just going to continue doing this with each individual student in the course. Again, select grade or view rubric. All right, this person got a 10 out of 10. Great. We're going to select that they exceeded the requirement and they mastered the outcome and hit save. All right, so you're going to go ahead and do that for all students. Okay, just go ahead and complete that for all the students. I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then we'll come back in just a minute once I get them all done. Okay, we're back. So I went ahead and completed doing that for all the students in this particular course. So now, once you get that done, if you want to actually look at the Mastery Gradebook, what you're going to do is go over to Grades. All right, so we're going to select Grades. And then at the top, we're going to get out of this normal gradebook layout, and we're going to change right over here. We're going to go ahead and select Learning Mastery Gradebook. So we're going to select that. And then here you can see, here's your outcomes. Okay, so outcome number 1. And you can move these around. You can drag these around if you want. So you can take outcome number 2 and drag it over here. You can put 3 where it needs to be. Let's put 3 right there. So you can go ahead and drag these around a little bit if they're not in order. But here we are with outcome number 1. And you can see, if I scroll down, that this class did really well. Majority of the students mastered this outcome. All right, so blue is mastered and red is they did not master. So if you ever want to check to see which outcomes you've assessed and how your students actually did, you can do that. It's pretty great. And you can even change it so you can have, okay, which students did not master on the top, and then you can have the other students down here on the bottom if you want to kind of focus on who did and who did not master that particular outcome, right? So it's really that simple. And that's it. That's pretty much the whole process. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can definitely let me know, or I'm sure, you know, there are other people in your division or with e-learning that could definitely help you with this process. But I hope these videos were helpful for you, and it's not that bad once you get those rubrics set up and you link it with outcomes. All right, well, this is Tom. I'm going to end it there. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.